Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video right here, so sorry I'm not a professional uh, filmer or YouTuber, but I present to you my 2000 Ford Mustang GT project, and I've done a lot of things to it myself, which is why I'm making this channel, to show you how to do things yourself, save you a couple bucks. I know there's a lot of people out there doing videos like this, but I'm gonna try to do different things like Lambo doors and things that you kind of don't see out there that much. Today, what I'm doing is basically changing the battery connectors to this easy release connectors. They're pretty helpful to basically remove your battery. Here's my battery right here, my whole mess. And yeah, I already did the ground. This is what it looks like. You basically just release that plastic little thingy right there, and here's my positive. I haven't put it on yet, but I already put the ground on it. And here's the old one. So you're gonna have to cut your old one, obviously, to put the new ones in. And they come with two of these kind of hooks. So I use both of them, one for the little wires and one for the big wires. I don't know how your car's gonna be, but it should be kind of the same on most of the cars. So here's a positive. This is what it came with, and this is my wire to my amplifier, because I got a sound system in it. And for those of you who wants to see what the car looks like inside, there's a little work to it. These are my seats, custom made. Steering wheel, still working on the sound system over there, and back seats with the design on them. So yeah, this is my project. Hope y'all like it, and hope this video is useful to y'all. I'm gonna be making more videos on how to install this chrome coolant reservoir and chrome power steering pump oil reservoir. So keep watching my videos. Thank you so much.